In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 Superagent to WhatsApp. Connecting your agent to WhatsApp lets you deliver automated answers and seamless support right where your customers already chat. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Base44 and what to expect when the handoff to WhatsApp happens, so you can get up and running with confidence. Start by opening the Base44 app in your browser. From the main dashboard, go to Superagent. Here, you can either pick one of your existing agents or create a new one specifically for WhatsApp conversations. If you're creating a new agent, give it a clear name and make sure its purpose and tone match the kind of messages you want it to handle. When your agent is ready, open it. With the agent view open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find Channels. Channels are the places your agent can live and respond, and WhatsApp is one of them. Click into the Channels area and choose WhatsApp. You'll see an option to continue. Go ahead and proceed. This simply confirms you want to activate WhatsApp for this agent. Next, select Connect WhatsApp. Base44 will now prepare a secure connection and prompt your browser to open WhatsApp. This is normal. It's how your WhatsApp identity is associated with your agent. When your browser asks, choose Open App. Depending on your setup, this will launch WhatsApp on your phone or desktop, or it may open WhatsApp web in your browser. A message will be pre-filled for you, including a one-time activation code. Sensitive details are taken care of automatically here, so you don't need to copy or paste anything. If you're asked which program to use, pick WhatsApp. And if your browser blocks the pop-up, briefly allow it so the handoff can complete. Make sure you're using the WhatsApp account you want your customers to reach. After WhatsApp opens and the pre-filled message appears, simply follow the on-screen prompt to complete the connection. Within a moment, the link between your WhatsApp and your Base44 Superagent is established. Back in Base44, you'll see WhatsApp listed under Channels for this agent, indicating it's connected and ready to receive messages. You can now route conversations into your agent and let it respond based on the knowledge and settings you've already configured. And that's the whole flow for enabling WhatsApp as a channel for your Base44 Superagent. Quick, secure, and reliable. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.